Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you is your Windows 11 update getting stuck exactly at 80% or does it fail every single time you try to install your update? So don't worry, you don't need to reinstall your Windows. In this video, I will show you the most effective solution to fix Windows update installation problem step by step. We will start with easiest fix and move to the advanced one only if needed. Let's begin. First, what you need to do, you need to restart your PC. Sometime Windows finishes installing the update after simple restart. Save your work, restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, open your Windows settings once again. In the Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Click on check for update, and if the update is there, it will start updating your PC. As you can see guys, if it still gets stuck at 80%, move to the next fix. In your Windows settings, go to System. In the System, scroll down and find out Troubleshoot. Open it and then open Other Troubleshooter. And here you need to find out Windows Update Troubleshooter. So just click on Run button. Wait until Windows detect and fix any problem automatically, and follow the on-screen process instruction whatever showing in the troubleshooting page. Okay, and then close this and restart your PC one time. After restarting, once again try to update your PC. Hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next fix. Windows update need free disk space. Okay, you need to check your system space. Open once again settings, go to System, scroll down and find out storage, and then if your C drive has less than 20 GB of free space, delete temporary files or move large file to another drive before trying the update again. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. This is very powerful method guys. In your Windows settings, go to time and language. If your PC date and time setting was incorrect, you need to correct this. Okay, what happens sometime incorrect date and time can create the problem. Just need to enable the set time zone automatically. Just enable this option and try to update your PC. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the some next method. These are the most powerful method I am going to show you. Hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here in the run box you need to type services.msc and then hit enter from your keyboard. In the services, here you need to find out Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update service. If the service was start, you need to stop the Windows Update service. Also, you need to find out Background Intelligent Transfer service. Right click on this service and simply you need to stop this. Now, after stopping, open your this PC File Explorer. Open your C drive and then open your Windows folder from here, and then here you need to find out software distribution folder. Open it, select all file and then delete it. After deleting successfully, return to services menu. Which services you have stopped, you need to start it once again like this. After doing this guys, once again open your Windows settings. Go to Windows Update, click on check for update, and if the update is there, go ahead install your update. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Press Windows key button and then here you need to search cmd means command prompt and select run as administrator from here like this, and then here you need to enter one command sfc /scan now, and then hit enter from your keyboard. Wait until the scan reach 100%. If corrupted files are found, Windows will repair them automatically by itself. Only you need to wait until 100% completed scanning process. After this, you can close your command prompt and restart your PC, laptop, whatever you're using, restart it one time. After restarting, it will 100% fix your problem. Go to Windows Update and update your PC. So these are the easy and simple method to fix this issue. So one more very important thing is this guys, before updating or installing your Windows Update, you need to have the strong internet Wi-Fi connection on your PC or laptop. internet connection is must and should. If there is no internet connection, you can't able to update your PC. Remember this thing, guys. So that's how you can fix the Windows update stuck at 80%. Always keep at least 20 GB of free space. Avoid shutting down your PC during update. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus software if it interferes the Windows update. If one of these methods fix your Windows update issue, let us know in the comment which solution work for you. If you are still seeing an error, comment the exact error code and I will help you troubleshoot it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction and turn on notification for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.